Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing soya tikki. Yeah, we will call it English soya patty, for which I am using Nutrilla soya kheema. Now this I have taken this cup, 1 cup soya granules, and I have soaked it into the hot water with little salt into it, and I have drained it and squeezed it, and this is how it looks. So that becomes 1 katori. I have taken this 1 katori Nutrilla kheema. Next, this is the coarse paste of say about 5 pods of garlic and 2-inch ginger. I have pounded them. Then this is grated 1 medium sized onion and 1 medium sized tomato. I have grated them. Then the main ingredient required is the potato, in which we will be doing filling, and into this right now I am going to add the powder of 5 slices of bread. Okay, and into this I'll be adding salt as per taste, just a little, say about 1 teaspoon salt into the potato outer filling, outer covering, and I'll just mix it so that it doesn't break in between when we are frying. Soya is a excellent substitute for non-veg mutton kheema, or say even chicken kheema. See, this is how I have mixed everything, and I'll keep this on the side. Now I'll keep this on one side. Now we will begin making the filling of kheema. So for that I have already taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and already it is the oil has heated. So into that I will be adding this 1 medium size grated onion, and we will saute it till its tenderness has gone. It is not to be browned or anything, just its raw taste should disappear. Just for 1 or 2. See, now onion is cooked, and now into this I am going to add this grated tomato. Even this needs to be cooked for at least 5 minutes till its raw taste has disappeared. Let this get cooked. Now into this I have added a pinch of asafoetida, and I have added 2 teaspoons of salt as per taste, and I allowed it to cook. After 5 minutes I have added the paste of ginger and garlic. Okay, the gingers were say about 5 pods, and ginger was of 2-inch ginger pounded. Okay, now into this I am going to add garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Then I am going to add jeera powder, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then I am also going to add half teaspoon haldi powder, then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I will mix all this and allow it Now since these spices are not to be burnt, I'm going to add little water. The water was of ginger garlic paste, which is not to be wasted. So just so that all these spices gets incorporated with the masala that I have added to the spice here, that is the paste of onion and tomato. That's all, it's done. Now I'm going to add this cooked kheema, soya kheema, and this is not to be cooked at all because it's already been cooked. So just 1 or 2 minutes, I'll mix everything here and I will finish it with freshly chopped coriander. And my keema, my filling of keema patty or keema this thing patty is already ready. Now this doesn't need overcooking. This is already been cooked. I'll just check its salt level and then I will add salt accordingly. Perfect. No need to add anything. Now I'll just finish it with freshly chopped coriander. And my filling for keema patty is ready. I will put off the heater and I will allow this mixture or the filling to cool, and then this filling I'm going to fill into the potato outer covering, and we will deep fry it. Now see, after cooling, say it's almost half an hour, and I'm going to prepare soya patties now with the help of this dough of potato. The boiled potatoes has been mashed and I have added the crumbs, the bread crumbs of say about 4 and 5, and I have added little salt to the boiled potato and have made a dough. Now let us start making the patty. I have taken so much big. It all depends how big you want to make. I'll take little smaller one and I'll make a round ball out of it like this, and I will make a veil inside the dough. Doesn't matter, even if it breaks like this, we can adjust it accordingly. See, like this you have to prepare. Now into this you put so much of prepared soya keema and press it in. Like this you have to press it. Now just with the help of your hands you close this patty. Like this. Close from all the sides. Okay, and again do it like this. And then roll it back. See, you are getting cracks like this. Doesn't matter. What you have to do is just press the patty like this little bit and just roll it here. Those cracks will disappear. See, just roll it here like this. See, now just press it like this and it's done. I have already prepared say about 3 patties in advance like this. Now I have taken breadcrumbs, and into these breadcrumbs I have added 1.5 teaspoon of mixed herbs and little salt so that it gives a good taste to the patty. Now I have made a slurry here. I have made a slurry of corn flour. And into this also I have added little salt. And now what I will be doing is I will simply dip like this, and then I will roll this into the breadcrumbs. See, okay, and then I'm just simply going to press it so that this sticks. Like this I'll be making all. See, now this is almost ready. Now it's ready to fry. But before frying, I want you all to do one thing. If you all are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it at first. Then if you like my recipe, click onto the like button. Share it with maximum of your friends and other people. And click onto the bell icon so that you get, whenever I put my new videos on the YouTube, you get first notification. And kindly write your what you call the comments into the comments box. Now let us proceed further to frying these patties. Now my oil is already hot, and I'll be putting these to this. It should be like this. Do not touch. We'll let it get fried crispier from the bottom after 2 minutes, and then we will touch it. See, the color is changed. See, it's getting brown, nice. We will make it golden brown until it becomes crispier. It should be made crispy from out and soft from inside. And this dish, that is soya patty, or say this particular one, is good for the parties, especially for the kids party, or say even if you're calling big people at home, this has been done. See, now I will be putting the second one also on one side. I'll take this on one side, and I will put the second one, and I will allow it to get brown. See, you have to make it complete golden brown. Don't remove in between. See, now my soya patty are ready. I have deep fried them, and see how crispier they have come. See, you can make out from the noise. See, so crispier they are from outside and very smooth from inside. If you like my recipe, kindly click onto the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do write your comments in the comments box. And please make this dish. Those eating non-veg can make mutton kheema or chicken kheema and can fill. But since it's a COVID time, I have used soya kheema in place of mutton kheema or chicken kheema. Thank you.